I built this watermark remover tool in just a few minutes, using only natural language. No coding, zero experience required, just the power of Gemini 3 Pro. It's completely free. I'll even show you how to add a custom magic brush to precisely erase logos without ruining the background. Honestly, the process is super simple. Let me walk you through it step by step. First, open Google AI Studio, click Build, and make sure you're using the Gemini 3 Pro model. Then type this prompt: develop a web application to remove watermarks from images. Hit Build, wait a few seconds, and boom, your custom tool is ready. Let's test it. Click here to upload the picture. Choose any picture with a watermark, and once it loads, hit Remove Watermark in the bottom right. The watermark is gone, looks great. Now, click the Download Image icon in the top right. Let's take a look at the final result. Completely clean, no watermarks at all. However, sometimes you don't want to process the whole image. Maybe you just want to remove a tiny watermark or a specific unwanted object without touching the rest. So let's add a brush tool to highlight exactly what we want to remove. Back to the chat, type this prompt: add a brush tool that allows you to select the watermark on an image and then remove it. Give it a moment, and it's updated. Let's load an image again. This time, I want to remove only this Gemini logo. Click Brush. Look, you can even adjust the brush size here. Just paint over the logo like this, and then click Remove Selected. Wait a sec, and look at that. The result is impressive. But there is one small issue. The brush cursor is kinda hard to see. Let's fix the UI. Type this prompt: the brush tool uses a circular cursor that scales with the brush size. Updated. Let's test it. Hit Brush Tool. Wait. The cursor didn't change. No worries. Let's just copy that same prompt and send it one more time. Okay, now look at it. The cursor is clearly a circle now. And if I drag the slider, the circle grows bigger. Much better. Let's try one last test on a different image. I want to remove the text down here. Swipe over it, and gone. Works perfectly. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.